In this video, let's talk about the BMW G30 5x1 12 wheel spaces needs longer bolts. Upgrade the wheel style and handling with 5x1 12 spaces. Wheel spaces are metal components that fit between the vehicle hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels outward from the BMW G30 chassis. A 5x1 12 wheel spaces is typically equal to 10 to 20 mm in thickness. They are often chosen by drivers who want to slightly adjust the appearance or handling of their vehicle without making drastic changes. If you get 5x12 spaces installed, you need new, longer wheel studs to properly secure the wheels. Only if the stud thread is long enough can the stud provide proper clamping force to keep the wheel spaces and wheels balanced. The thread length must be equal to or greater than the diameter of the stud itself. How long wheel studs do I need for 5x112 spaces? Simple speaking, 5x112 spaces are curved by about 10 mm to 20 mm stud length will stop the OEM wheel nuts from engaging the full thread. Therefore, you need a longer wheel stud. For example, if your OEM wheel stud length is 27 mm and you get a 10 mm 5x112 wheel spaces installed, then 37 mm wheel studs are the way to go. The matching wheel studs use SCM Volvo Zero steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature stress resistance, structural stability, non-harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. With the 12-petal hand design, the petal hands can only be manufactured by super forging technology. This uniform destruction requires a larger tonnage machine to forge in one step. The spacer structure design effectively reduces the losing of bolts during use. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolt also has a bonus engraved, and many brands offer use other bolts and nuts that are only marketed with machine unit to reduce cost. Bonus on the factory. By engraving the word B of bonus on each bonus extended wheel bolt, it expresses the guarantee of quality and the protection of customer interest. So, if you are going to install 5x112 spaces on your BMW G30, you need longer bolts for safety. If you have any questions about the BMW G30 wheel spaces, leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.